the most wonderful time of the year. Blend a Vitamix soup, blend a fruit smoothie, make frozen treats for your dear. It's the most wonderful time of the year. Make creamy nut butter, cashew milk or almond, or just blend some ice in the snow. Chop up some shallots, know into the talent the Vitamix blender will show. It's the most wonderful time of the year. Before we get started, I would like to invite you guys to press the like and subscribe button as well as the bell icon to be alerted when new video content arrives. Also, please support Blending with Henry by making your Vitamix purchase using my links below the video or on blendingwithhenry.com. Now, this way I'll be able to continue to offer you guys the best content and more recipes. Your financial support is very well appreciated. Well, I certainly hope you guys enjoyed that. I had a great time doing it. Now, normally I'm performing the national anthem at the Oakland A's games every season, but I don't generally perform on YouTube. But I thought it would be kind of nice to start off the holiday shopping season with a song, one of the more popular holiday songs. Well, it is the holidays, and of course that means holiday shopping. And when we're talking about Blending with Henry, we're talking about Vitamix, of course. Now, normally I would do the which Vitamix to buy 2022, 2023, but it gets real stale after a while. And honestly, you guys, Vitamix doesn't really change their models very often. So, what I decided to do this year is something different. And it's going to be called Give the Gift of Vitamix. Now, of course, you guys have heard of give the gift of good health, give the gift of love, but when you give the gift of Vitamix, it's all of that, right? So, what I'm going to do this time is I'm going to give you guys a list of my favorite picks, okay? What I think would be a really great gift, again, for yourself as well or someone else. And we're going to go over just the list of features that it's best used for and who it's for. That way it makes it easier for you guys to find the right Vitamix to go in your kitchen or, hey, in someone else's kitchen. To keep informed of all the Vitamix Black Friday, Cyber Monday holiday promos, go to my website, blendingwithhenry.com, and up top you'll see the red bar that links to my Vitamix promos page, showing when it's updated. Click it, and it will take you to that page. Scrolling down, you'll see all the latest promotions and deals. So, the first Vitamix on my list is the Vitamix ONE. Just the picture box alone really sells this Vitamix, and the red color makes for a great holiday gift. The Vitamix ONE is a budget-conscious compact blender. Comes with a 32-ounce container and tamper. Same blend quality as the top-end Vitamix machines. No switches, just a large dial to operate it. It's capable of making thick, delicious smoothies, coffee drinks such as frappuccinos and iced coffees. You can make some amazing smoothie bowls. It also makes almond, cashew, and oat milk. And it's great for frozen treats. So, who is the Vitamix ONE best gifted to? A college student in a dorm room, the RV traveler, a second blender for the kids, so your main Vitamix is used only by you. The Vitamix Explorian E310's picture box really enhances the gift experience. It's the most affordable full-size Vitamix, and it comes with a 48-ounce container and tamper. Now you guys, 5 years ago, when I celebrated my 5-year anniversary presenting Vitamix, I did a giveaway party video. Now my nephew and I shot this video, and we couldn't contain ourselves after I broke character when the Vitamix E310 failed me. What I love about the Vitamix Explorian E310 is that it's simple to use, not intimidating, and very powerful. Now it comes with a 48-ounce container. In addition to the Vitamix ONE's recipes, the Explorian E310 can make every other Vitamix recipe, including hot soups, salsa, and pico de gallo. Now you can make this with the Vitamix ONE, but the Explorian has more speed options for the best texture. You can make peanut, cashew, and almond butter. And with the optional dry container, you can mill grains and spices. And hot drinks like my dairy-free pumpkin spice latte are perfect for the holidays. So, who is the Vitamix Explorian E310 best gifted to? A couple who are getting married, someone who just moved into their new home, or your first Vitamix. Imagine someone unwrapping their gift and seeing this Pro 750's picture box. It's just stellar. Now, I've made it no secret, you guys, that the Pro 750 is my favorite Vitamix of all time. Now, I like this machine so much, I did a special video in honor of it at the Golden Gate Bridge. Now, the style of it is legit. It's a chef's blender with the large pear-shaped rubberized dial, the panel lights, the thick rubber manual toggle switches, and the graphic design of the control panel. Now, the motor base is heavy and built with the noise-dampening materials. So, who is the Vitamix Pro 750 best gifted to? An aspiring chef, the person who wants stealth performance with quieter operation, the person who enjoys beautifully crafted appliances and will use it almost daily. The Vitamix Ascent A3500's dark picture box speaks top of the line. It's a lifestyle machine for sure. Now, just on looks alone, it's a conversation piece in your kitchen, an attention grabber with its sharp lines and mirror finishes. It's an absolute beauty. Now, you can get it in a multitude of color options to fit your kitchen style, such as white, black stainless metal finish. Now, this is a candy apple red, my personal favorite. And the copper metal finish is very elegant. And if you want a simple, understated design, the graphite metal finish has a matte exterior which is fingerprint resistant and easy to clean. The Ascent A3500 has touchscreen controls, multiple presets, a rotary design variable speed dial, and a digital display programmable timer. It makes every Vitamix recipe I mentioned earlier, plus it does more. It's compatible with the new Vitamix food processor attachment, the 20-ounce blending cups and the 8-ounce blending bowls with blades. And here you can see the 8-ounce blending bowl in place and the 20-ounce blending cup, which requires no adapter. I showcased the Ascent A3500 in the video I created called My Vitamix Complete Kitchen because it offers the complete Vitamix experience and it comes with a 10-year warranty. So you guys, who is the Vitamix Ascent A3500 best gifted to? Yourself! Who else? Now, it's nice to give someone something great, but don't forget about yourself. If you feel someone deserves something nice from you, shouldn't you be the person receiving it? Don't you deserve it? Of course you do. Not every Vitamix you buy that's shipped to you in a brown box is a certified reconditioned machine, but every reconditioned machine you buy will ship in this brown box. Now let's be real about it, you guys. We all want to save some money. These machines are expensive. No one would complain if you gifted them a Vitamix in this box. On the Vitamix promotions page on my website, I'm always recommending the certified reconditioned Venturous V1200. Has similar features of the Vitamix Ascent, such as the digital timer. Now it comes with a 64-ounce container, 20-ounce blending cup, is compatible with the 8-ounce blending bowls, and the Vitamix food processor attachment. Now you guys, it's not a lifestyle machine in terms of kitchen decor. It's not designed to be pretty. It's just designed to work, and it comes with a 5-year warranty. So, who is the certified reconditioned Venturous V1200 best gifted to? The aspiring chef, the person who wants an everything workhorse, has very little interest or concerns in terms of style in the kitchen. Before we end the video, I want to clarify why I recommended the Pro 750 as one of my holiday picks rather than the Ascent A2500. Many of my recent videos show the A2500. Now, there are two distinct differences in these models, and it really depends on your own needs. Like the A3500, the Pro 750 is the top of the line of its generation. Now, it has the heavy motor base with sound dampening, more presets, and premium design controls. Now, because it's older, it does not have a digital timer, nor is it compatible with the newer Vitamix accessories such as the food processor attachment. The A2500 is for the price-conscious consumer, and it has a lighter weight motor base with no sound dampening, basic design controls, and less presets. Now, it is compatible with the latest Vitamix accessories, including the food processor attachment, and it has a digital timer. It's a toss-up. They both blend the same. Now, I'm choosing the Pro 750 out of the two since it's the top of the line of its generation. Alright you guys, there's more to come this holiday season. I have so much. Now see below the video for my links to order your Vitamix machines. I receive credit for your orders this way. I need your business, so I'm putting my heart and soul into it for you.